For any industry, fast access to spare parts secures high availability and minimizes downtime. ABB spare parts services are based on more than 100 years of experience in manufacturing motors and generators. We are able to offer spare parts and support for all motors and generators throughout the product life cycle. We supply genuine spare parts, spare part packages, and maintenance kits for all ABB motors and generators. We can also provide exchange units for wind power generators. As we are the original equipment manufacturer, you can rely on us to supply the correct part. Where technology has advanced, we might be able to provide a part that is even better than the original. We can also help you to rationalize your on-site spare part stocks. Availability of parts is a priority for customers, and a lot of effort goes into maximizing uptime. Nevertheless, it's inevitable that at some stage a part will fail and a stoppage will occur. To recover from stoppage as soon as possible, the right spare part should be available on site. A key element in managing risks and minimizing production disturbances is to take a proactive approach and fully prepare for failures. Our proactive maintenance services provide the most efficient and effective way to keep your production running.